Hey folks, I'm down here at the pig lot and I gotta make some repairs. Not repairs, some modifications. And I'll show you that in just a minute. I just want to show you how these things act before they get fed. They're about to die, I tell you. Let me get these fed and I'll show you what I gotta do. I mean, you think he's beating them with a stick, but you heard how they are. That's just the way they always been. So I got a couple places here where they're pushing the fence out, and let me show you that. And I'm gonna take some metal fence posts and drive down. One of them's right here. And the other one's right beside it, so. So I'm just gonna drive a couple of metal posts there and that'll keep them pushing it in and tie it in, and I'm gonna do it the old fashioned way. I brought my driver down here instead of the tractor, so hope I don't have a heart attack doing it, so let's find out. Well, there's one. I survived it. That's the way I used to do a mile, boy. I don't know how I ever survived that. All right, I got another one we'll put over here. All right. Yes, we've had a lot of rain here lately, and makes the ground a little softer. Let me get some tie wraps. I'm gonna tie that. Little quick pro tip about these tie wraps. I can get these at Old Harbor Freight for like $1 a bag. I always get the black ones. The white ones are not UV protected and they'll dry rot in the sun. Won't last near as long. So I always get the black. I've also got them a new trough in the I'm not going to put that in today. It'll probably be like a Saturday when I do that. This one's getting too little for them, you can tell. I have to get up in it and turn sideways, and don't necessarily like that. It's all right when it's little, but they get big. Eventually they'll break it down because they're starting to throw some weight. All right, I'm gonna go warm the tractor up. Got to move some feed down I bought today. While I'm doing that, I got we went to what's that place called? The Biltmore last weekend, and so I'll take a few pictures. I'm gonna put them. We do a live stream every Monday night at 7:30 Eastern time. Come over and watch us. You can chat with us, ask us questions, talk about farming, gardening, life. You want to talk about. Just come over. It's fun, it's free, and you get to see my better half there every Monday night, 7:30. We're officially on baby watch, I think. We're starting to show pretty good. You can see, especially sideways, front ways, like look how big she is. She looks pretty bigger. And then she don't look big, but she might just have a twin, I don't know. I mean a single, not a twin. I hope she has twins. Because I know this is her third, it'll be her third pregnancy, and the other two is her first pregnancy. But she popped out twin, that's her daughter's right there, her firstborn right there. And then she had the boy, which I still got. Man, he's a good buck. So I think we're on baby watch. We about another 2 weeks. Let's see, what is today? I don't even know. It's probably what, 2 weeks to Christmas? So we'll about another week we'll go heavy. We'll go heavy on the baby watch. But She looks pretty big. The other one's one we're worried about. All right, I got the rest of this feed unloaded, and it's for the chickens. All right, I got this. This was probably, it's got to be one of my least favorite jobs anymore. I liked it better when Noah was going to school. I'd make him do it. And Noah's our son. He'd come down and unload him. You know, that's how he got so strong while playing football. Well, I switched to a net switch. I'm trying a 22% protein. And I've been feeding 16, and the last 2 days I've gotten 0 eggs, but it has been raining, so. But this is a 22%, and I got 2 bags or 100 pounds, and I'll feed it for a few days to see if it makes them start laying again. Still got 4 chickens over here I ain't got out yet. Gotta do that. I won't get it this weekend. I don't know if y'all remember, but we hit a deer with our car about 3 weeks ago, and it's gonna sit down. And they called Monday and said that they're gonna total it out. So now we gotta go buy a new car. So I'll have to do that Saturday, or at least start looking real heavy. So I've kind of been looking, but I don't know what we're gonna do. I'd like to get a new truck. My goodness, you gotta be rich nowadays on a new truck. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Day in the life on the farm here, this evening on the farm. Feeding, I still gotta go feed my chickens, and I think I showed that last video, or video before last, so I ain't gonna show you that again. And check my eggs. The other 2's doing fine. We could ride down there and look at them real quick. I'll save it for another video, because I gotta move these, and I'll probably have this in a video, so I'll just hold up on that. Anyway, just evening on the farm here in a little old Tennessee small farm, homestead, whatever you want to call it. Appreciate everybody watching. Sports Local Farmer. Hey, give us a thumbs up or hit that like button. Need some likes, need some subscribers. I really appreciate it. Sports Local Farmer. So, you know, remember, it's getting close to the garden season. Everybody needs to get their seeds together, and I've been working on it. So when they start coming in, I'll show you what all I got, and where I bought them from, and what our big plans are. So anyway, again, hit that like button. Hit it, please. Hit that like and hit that subscribe. Sports Local Farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.